Alright, this is my 1996 Silverado pickup, and my relay, I believe my switch went out with the thermal, pulled the window down, never came back up. It didn't start going slow or nothing like that, it just stopped all of a sudden. So, I think I'm going to try to swap this thing out. And this week it's gotten down to the 20s, so I had to ride to work like 4 days in a row waiting for the switch. So, thankfully this thing has been like worked a lot, but all it does is just the whole thing lifts out like so, and then looks like comes up like this. Bracket, so you lift up on the little thing behind it. This thing has been plugged in for 25 years. There's another one in the front. Gotta compress that. Alright, so we do the second one. Let's see how much this thing is wallered out. This thing's been unplugged a bunch. Must have had oh boy, they've had problems with this thing. So what I'm gonna do is also alright, so the switch comes off like this. Alright, so we're just gonna match it up. Pop out this button right here. You won't need that. Force it in there. All right, switch. Plug this back in like this. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Really jamming down in there. Everything else is good. Alright, plug this back in. Crunches and noises. Well, that's it. So, alright, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.